Hey everyone, this is Chris over at BMW of Freeport, and today I'm sitting inside of the beautiful and luxurious 2022 BMW 750. With a big body vehicle like this with plenty of room, oftentimes it could be difficult for many to park, but not to worry, BMW has you covered with the available parking assistant. To enable, just make sure that you press the P button. Ensure that automated parking is checked off. Then begin driving and the vehicle will scan for spots. Once it detects a spot, just simply hit the P button. Select perpendicular parking for your available parking spot. And follow the directions located at the top of the screen. To start parking, take hands off steering wheel and release the brake. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact us over at BMW of Freeport, located at 291 West Sunrise Highway, Freeport, New York. Have a great day and stay safe.